It's Dan from AAJ Sovereign Home Inspections. Got a couple things I wanted to kind of go over on the outside of the house. You want to make sure that obviously you've got good water drainage from the roof and away from the foundation of the house, and that happens typically through your downspouts, through your gutter system, things like that. If you have drainage pipes, let's get out of the sun here. This one here has a drainage pipe just running right across the lawn, and that's fine. It is probably a tripping hazard at some point, but you just want to make sure that that water is getting away from the house, away from that foundation. Also, you want to make sure that the drainage pipes are unhindered by the soil. You can see this one here, if I can get a shot of it. That you had to clear some of that water, or some of that ground that has shifted away from that pipe. That ground kind of came up over, and we just had to dig this out a little bit so that water could be freed up. And that's fine. You want to make sure that gets backfilled in eventually, but as long as you're getting that drainage away from the house, that's ideal. So just want to make sure that you have proper clearance for those pipes to drain out. So if you have any questions about home inspections or anything like that, feel free to contact me, 618-340-1374. My name's Dan. Thanks.